Hello, my name is Mark Crosbie. I'm a Director and Senior Consultant at Pro Reliability Solutions Limited. We were founded in 2018 and we have offices in the UK and Ireland where we support our clients with asset management, maintenance and reliability engineering and training services. Our customers come from a variety of industry verticals, from pharmaceuticals and life science companies to general manufacturing and the energy sectors. So products from PeakAvenue, and especially the software solutions from Isograph, form the backbone of many of the services that we provide at PRS. In particular, our reliability and design and our reliability-centered maintenance activities. These products really give us a competitive advantage in our industries. We really trust them, and thankfully our customers trust them too. So members of the PRS management team have been using the Isograph software solutions for in excess of over 20 years now. So when we formed the company, we always knew that we would want to have Isograph as part of our solution suite. And of course, since then, we've become distributors of the Isograph products. And you know, that really helps us. Not only do we now distribute and support the products, but we also bring a really deep subject matter expertise on how to apply them to real life problems that our customers face every day, and it helps them on their reliability journeys.